everybody, this is Jeffrey and Cindy, and here's Cindy's second lesson in East Coast swing. So we're going to work on the basic. We're going to do the basic. We're going to do the basic turning to the right and the basic turning to the left. And we're trying to make these shorter for you. And we're going to do, you'll have separate videos, and then I'll put them all together so you'll have one big one. That way you can put them all, have them all together. So we'll have some 3 short ones and then one big one. All right. So cheers, love. All right, so we're going to start with the basic. This is East Coast swing basic. In the other video, we talked about the difference between a triple step and East Coast swing versus West Coast swing. So what we're going to do is just the basic. We'll start with the followers part. Followers, you always start with what foot?
Right foot.
Okay, why?
Because I'm always right.
Followers are always right. So we're going to do side together side, and we're going to do the little foot turn rotation that we talked about in the first video. So we're just going to go side together side. So no turn. So it goes side, together, side, and then we go back, side, together, side. Now our body's going to be turned a little bit at an angle, so that would be considered what we call a fall away position going backwards. So now we have a rock step, and as we rock back, we're going to rock in back a 5th position because we're with a partner, so we're going to rock back. So our right foot goes a little bit behind our left foot. That's all that means, okay? So let's do it one more time all the way through. Now, I have to say this. Davida, some West Coast, East Coast swing starts with a rock step. I never learned it that way. Doesn't mean it's wrong, because it's completely right. And I actually kind of agree with the timing of it. But we're going to do it the way most people that I know teach it. And it starts with the triples. And that's all you need to know. Okay, even shag starts with triples. So we're going to do it triples and rock steps. So I'm going to count it. I'm going to just go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, rock, step, or 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Okay, so quick footwork on that. Simple, simple. Let's turn away though, so you can watch our feet. We were doing follows part, right? Yeah. Okay, so it's going to be, we're going to start with small side step, and it goes on the ball of foot. So real slowly it goes ball, ball flat, ball flat, ball, ball flat, ball flat, ball flat, ball flat. Or 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Pretty easy. All right? Now, leaders, you are exactly the opposite. So you start with the left foot. So we're just going to flip around and save a little bit of time. You don't need to do the leader's part. so you just be wonderful. You go. She's going to do the follower's part. Well, there you go. So start with the left foot. Ladies start with the right foot. And it goes side, together, side, side, together, side, rock, step. Again, side, together, side, side, together, side, rock, step. Now we're going to count it. We're going to do 1 and 2. So we're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now, I'm going to use the dots and dashes so that timing makes sense to you, because I hate using the words quicks and slows for swing. So if I do it with Sin, so we're going to do, I'll do the dot and dashes. So we're going to start off, and we're going to, now, okay, let's start with dance hold real quick. That's important. So guys, you're always going to take your right hand and just cup the shoulder blade, just right past the armpit, and just cup her shoulder blade. If you're down here, that's not her shoulder blade. If you're up here, that's not her shoulder blade. There's the shoulder blade. Okay, so now followers, whenever he takes a connection to you or touches you, I want you to turn just gently into that hand a little bit. There you go, so you feel that connection. So a little to the left. Okay, now leaders, followers, excuse me. Cindy's right hand is, left hand, excuse me, is right here, kind of in a traditional place in ballroom where we would put it right in the groove, like in Rumba and Cha-Cha, Latin, and ballroom as well, below the deltoid, above the bicep. Okay. In West Coast swing and some dances, it's more of a street dance, so we drop our arms often, and so the hand doesn't necessarily go here all the time. But for ballroom, East Coast swing, we're going to do what they tell us, and my right elbow is going to be higher because I'm going to support it, I'm framed. So in other swings, different styles, that isn't the same. So we're going to have it up a little bit. okay? And just support it and just hold it. So my left hand leaders, my fingertips, the back of my fingers face her body, and she places, you'll see she's wearing a ring. She hides her ring in my hand. Okay, it's not this stuff, it's not this stuff, it's not something weird. It's just my fingertips come in. I tuck all four fingers, but primarily my ring and index finger. And I plus it, and I have her knuckles, top knuckles. Okay, so it's down here. Take your thumb off the top of her hand and put it to the side, because I know you're pressing down. So right here. So now let's do the triple. So we're gonna go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Now I'm gonna use dashes. Dot, dot, dash, dot, dot, dash, dash, dash. And you notice how we rotated slightly as we went back because it gave us a nice angle. Okay? So that is the basic. So that's gotta make sense. So we're gonna do it away from it one more time. And we're gonna go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Or dot, dot, dash, dot, dot, dash, rock, step. All right? Yes, yes? So that's the first pattern. That's the basic. There is no turn in that.